guys, it's Caleb. Today in the shop we have this 2018 Rogue. We've got a new mud flap kit for it, so let's go ahead and show you how to install it. Here we have the tools laid out that you'll need for install. You'll need a level to check level, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead to help remove any hardware, and then you'll need a drill to drill a small hole in the rear bumper. Here we have your front laid out. What you'll get in your kit is your front flap for that corner and then the hardware. We'll go ahead and put a breakdown of that hardware on the screen right now. Now let's head to the vehicle and begin installing. Here we are at the front of the vehicle. We're going to begin by removing the factory screws from these three locations here. Now we'll go ahead, set those to the side. Now we've got our flap. We're going to go ahead and begin mounting by taking our screws and putting it through the washers. If you want, you can reuse your OEM screws, or if your holes are a little bit stripped out, you can use our slightly oversized screws. So I'm just going to go ahead and get that started by hand. And then work our way up the fender. With those all started, we'll grab our screwdriver. With those snug, now we'll go ahead, get this set into place, get it set how we want, grab our level, check along the bottom edge, set it to your liking. Now we'll go ahead, fully tighten these down, just get them nice and snug. You don't want to strip out your inserts. With those snug down, that's how you complete the front. You can repeat these same steps on the other side. Now let's go ahead and jump to the rear. Here we have your rear laid out. What you'll get in your kit is your flap for that corner, you'll get your mount tab, and then you'll get your hardware. We'll go ahead and put a breakdown of that hardware on the screen right now. Before we head over to the vehicle, we're going to go ahead and assemble our tab. We're going to take it, slide it through the slot, and pull it out on the same side as the logo. Just pulling it until you hear it click in place. Now you're ready to head over to the vehicle and begin installing. Here we are at the rear of the vehicle. We're going to begin by removing the upper screw here. And then we'll jump down on the bottom and remove the screw that goes into the liner. Now with those both removed, you'll want to go ahead, locate the dimple on this tab here. Then with the tires on, we're going to take our drill and kind of just squeeze it. And we're going to drill a 1/4 inch hole through that dimple right there. Once that's been drilled, we'll take our clip. You can take a flathead, open it up a little bit to make sure that it's easier to slide on. So we're just going to slide that in place right over the mount hole, like so. Now we'll take our prepared flap and our screws with washers. And I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to start with that middle hole right here in the wheel well. Get the flap supported. Tip it up into place. We'll screw in this top hole into the top mounting hole right here. And then last, we're going to jump down and mount the tab into that bottom mounting hole. Now we're going to take our flap, pull it back into position. We're going to screw through this hole, screwing into the clip on the liner. Go. I'll go ahead, then lightly snugged, jump back up in the wheel well, and keep tightening the rest. Now we're going to snug these other 2 mount points. And with those 2 mount points snug, we're going to go ahead and adjust our flap to our liking. So we'll get it set to where we want. Check the bottom with a level. Get it where we like it. Now we'll go ahead, fully tighten all 3 mount points down. With all mounting points secured, that's how you complete the rear. You can repeat these same steps on the other side. Thanks for watching.